Welcome to Radio City. We are very, very, very glad to have you. एक तो ना मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा आपका नाम Stay Happy. पहले बताओ ये नाम कहाँ से आया?
Okay, so this name was suggested by one of our employees. So yeah.
Okay. It's such a nice name. So why don't you tell us how you started Stay Happy Pharmacy? What is Stay Happy Pharmacy? How is it different? All yours.
So the Happy Pharmacy was started because we have a manufacturing background and we wanted to give back to the society. So
Mhm.
there are 2% of people across the country that get pushed into poverty because of the high healthcare expenditure, out of which majority is medicine expenditure. There are also around 35 crore people in the country who are not able to afford even two meals. They have only
Mm.
one meal per day. This was all pre-pandemic. Now, this number
Of
would
course, things
increase.
have changed completely. Yes.
So, unfortunately, people don't have access or don't have the money to buy medicines. So, we wanted to do something about the affordability
Mm.
and accessibility. So, Stay Happy Pharmacy is a network of pharmacies across the country
Mhm.
wherein the Stay Happy medicine range is available, which is quality medicines are available at 30 to 90% affordable prices. So that's the concept. So we partner with existing pharmacies across the country in various cities, towns, and even villages,
Mm.
and give them our range of medicines, which are much affordable.
Than everybody else. Whose idea was this to start Stay Happy Pharmacy?
This was my father's idea, which I took upon, and then I'm executing it.
This is lovely. Ajay, so how do people contact Stay Happy Pharmacy? Do they go on your website? Are there any places, physical spaces that they can go to? How does that work?
Yeah. So last year during pandemic, we launched our website and our app. Apart from that, we have more than 1,000 stores across the country. So our website has our store locator where people can find the store nearest to them. They can call on our toll-free number. They can visit our website and order. So there are many means and ways that they can reach us.
Arushi, one thing I really wanted to know was that when you go to Stay Happy Pharmacy, you guys do production as well. But is it that all sorts of medicines are there? What kind of range of products are we talking about?
Yeah. So we have more than 600 medicines in the Stay Happy basket. And otherwise, we have more than 10,000 medicines. So these range of medicines are across therapies, diabetes, cardiac, hypertension, analgesics, antibiotics, urology,
Hmm.
thyroid, everything. So basically, we analyzed all of the medicines and we have all of the fast movers, all of the medicines, especially chronic medicines, because people,
Need them.
who have chronic therapies, they really want to save money on it. And it's a constant monthly expenditure. So, especially, we have almost all the chronic medicines that are required. So, we have more than 600 medicines across various therapies.
Across various steps. Arushi, in the past 1.5 year, when the pandemic's been there, when COVID's been there, we've also seen across the world the biggest millionaires have been pharmacies and pharmacists because obviously that has been the one industry that has boomed. Um, how has COVID been for you guys? Has business grown? Have you felt the need of going into various different areas? What has it been like the last 1 year?
Yeah. When the pandemic started and India went into a complete lockdown,
Doctor.
we launched our website and app way back in May in a span of 15-20 days. That was a huge thing to pull off. But, we got a great response because consumers earlier who had to go to our stores or could not find a store near themselves, they could order now
Mm.
from anywhere across the country. So, that was very helpful. So now, however, because this does not seem to be ending anytime soon,
Yeah.
so we are expanding our warehouse, our team, because so that we can serve and more orders, we can ship more orders per day. We are expanding our range of medicines to from 10,000 to 20,000 medicines, so that different more kinds of medicines can be included. We are also trying to serve even more remote locations of the country, by speaking to the Indian Postal Services or
Oh,
other
yeah,
courier
that's what I was going to get to, because, setting up a website or going online is relatively easier as compared to figuring out logistics, because logistics are going to be your biggest problem. So, wo kaise figure out kare aapne? And like you said, using Indian Post Services, how has that journey been?
Currently, we are shipping from one place, across the country, and also we'll be taking the help of Indian Postal Services, because जहाँ कोई भी courier नहीं है, Indian Postal Services is definitely there. And we are also working on a model wherein the existing pharmacy that we have
Hmm.
1,000 plus pharmacies across the country. So we can route the order to the nearest pharmacy, and that pharmacy can also kind of
Provided.
patch
Send it
up and
across.
provide it to the, so that way the speed of service will increase. A lot of times the medicines are very critical and they are required within one day. So it will help those patients.
What has been your biggest lesson that you learned during this whole pandemic time? Was it response? What was it, professionally and personally?
So personally, I felt that family and health is the most biggest asset that anyone can have.
True.
And so even though we work in healthcare, we tend to ignore our own health. So that was the biggest lesson personally, to focus on your and your family's health. And professionally, I felt the need for speed was more than ever. The world is changing at much more speed than you are. So I felt the need for speed, need to work in speed, how to kind of get the team to work in a way that they are also motivated with the vision that we have of Stay Happy Pharmacy. And we are able to quickly service many cities. Currently we are in only 12 states. However, there are many more people that we can actually help by becoming more accessible. So
The need for
the
speed.
speed, yeah.
I mean, whoever would have thought that in the pandemic, people would learn to be technologically more savvy, to get more efficient. I mean, that's what life is, I guess. It teaches you the strangest things. अच्छा, तो because मैं रेडियो पे काम करती हूँ, ठीक है, और मेरा काम जनरली गाना बजाना भी होता है, तो आरुषि, मैं कैसे तेरे को जान दे सकती हूँ ये पूछे बगैर कि what is that one song? Okay, first tell me, what is your dad's favorite song that you sort of, every time was playing in the house when you guys were growing up? Was there a song like that? Was this a favorite song?
No, there was
Nothing? What is your favorite song? Come on. Like, you can't not have a song. I refuse to believe that.
Yeah. So I'm currently kind of singing the Kasoor Hai Mera a lot.
Okay. Do you want me to ask you to sing it? I can do that.
No.
No. Fair enough. Thank you very much, Arushi. It's been a real pleasure. And I hope you stay happy. Of course, the name of it as well. And best of luck.
Thank you. Thank you, Ginny. It was wonderful speaking to you.
Wonderful. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.